My name is Charles Prince Fernandez. I chose poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is based on a 19th century English poem written by Jane Taylor. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by Jane Taylor. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. How could he see where to go if you did not twinkle so? In the dark blue sky you keep, often drew my certain peep, for you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. As you brighten tiny spark, light send traveler in the dark, though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. The twinkle, twinkle is the repetition, and the little star is the refrain. The twinkle, twinkle is the repetition, and the all the night is the refrain. The twinkle, twinkle is the repetition, and the little star is the refrain.